Children's Challenge for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate Janet Alcorn.
ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease, is a terminal nerve degenerative disorder which affects up to 30,000 Americans at a time. I accept my challenge and I nominate Carl Schilachty, David Cannell, and Josh Wilson.
For every like this video gets over the next 24 hours, we will donate $1 to the ALS Association. I nominate my sisters, Joan Piccarello and her husband, Barry, and Maria Kent, my other sister, and her husband, Stephen.
The ALS Association provides support to ALS families and helps lead the way to a cure. I accept my challenge, and I also would like to challenge my friend Don Alcorn.
Pan up.
That's out of order.
No, that's it. That's it.
That's not fair. Tina only got
You have
half.
24 hours.
Oh, really? Oh, we were sharing.